What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to fold this Origami simple split X flasher. See, it's an X in the center and then it splits apart. Isn't that cool? So yeah, if you want to learn how to fold it, then let's continue. So let's begin white side up, and we're going to divide it into 12. So you're going to fold this part in front and fold this part behind and fiddle with the folds till they line up together, and then pinch, unfold, and fold this part up to here, unfold, rotate, and fold this up to the crease. Now fold in half. Wait, no, don't do that. You're gonna fold this corner up, and we're gonna pinch it, and then we're gonna rotate and fold up to that pinch mark. Now we have a successful 3x3 grid. Now we're going to fold in half. And unfold. And fold up to here. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. And now unfold and fold up to the crease that you just made. Unfold and fold up to here. And now fold up to here. Unfold, rotate, and do that all over again. And unfold. And fold up to here. Unfold and fold up to here. And unfold. Now rotate. We're going to do that all over again on this side. So fold in half. Unfold and fold to here. Oh, my nose is itchy, sorry. And fold up to here. Okay, now we have a 12x12 grid. Now let's fold in half diagonally. I'm really slow at folding in half diagonally. I need to get better at doing this faster. And do it the same way. Not the same way, just the other way. Okay, now we're gonna install the creases. We're already installing the creases. I'm sorry. So right here, there's gonna be a little. We're gonna make a little square right there. So pick it up, and we're going to mount and fold right here. Right there, and do that all the way around. There. And when we turn over, it should look like that. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the creases that form the outer part. So turn over, and we're gonna fold up. So 2 squares right there. You're gonna fold up. And you're gonna go from the center all the way over plus 1 square. Let me show you. So we're going from this square over like that. And repeat all the way around. So right here you can see the crease that you just made. You're really just going to go from that crease that you just made all the way over. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold 2 down. So you just folded, let me zoom out a little bit. So you just folded to this point. Now you're going to fold 1, 2 down. And you're just going to fold from the center over. And fold and do that all the way around. And you're just folding from the center over. I already did that. Alright, now we're done with the pre-creasing. Such a simple thing to pre-crease. Let's pull out a pen real quick. So we're just gonna mark where the triangles are gonna be for the center part. So you can see, I gotta zoom in. So right here, so this is the center square, valley square, and this is where let me mark the center valley square. So the center valley square is right there. And this is one of our triangles. I think this pen is kind of running out. So that's one of our triangles. And when you rotate, it's going to be the same thing in every place. So there are our triangles. And we're not gonna need this pen anymore. Now all we have to do, so to form this, we're actually gonna do that last. Well, actually, we're not even gonna be doing it at all, because as we form the outside, it's literally going to form on itself. I think that's really cool. So let's just start by forming the outside, and then you'll see that this part forms on itself. So first, let's go down to this corner right here, and we're going to do that. It's easier for me to show you than tell you. So we're just going to do that. And come up here. And go down like that. And do that. Like that. Now we're going to come down here and you're going to push this up. And that will form. And then you're going to go right here and do that. Here, I'm going to zoom in. There. That's better. So it's going to look like that. And then go right here. And this is going to go down, so we're going to kind of have like a square on the outside right here. I probably should have drawn that on, but whatever. And this is going to go up. You're going to push that down. And it's going to look like this. So that's what the sides are going to look like. And you can see that this part is literally going in. That's how all of these other triangles are going to be. So let's do that all the way around. So this model is actually simpler than it looks. The center is really easy, because you basically don't have to do anything to it. And the last part. And now, all we have to do is just push it in and see it formed by itself. I think that part's really cool. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The origami split X flat. We're actually not done yet. Actually. So, notice how the center is kind of dipping down, and it's like, doesn't really seem too completed. And back here, it's just like, what is that? And I know how to fix that. So you see, I'm gonna zoom in for this part. So you see these corners right here, right there, there, there. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna take them and you don't have to use this, so you can just use your finger, but I'm just gonna use this. You're gonna take them and you're gonna push them in like that. And we're going to do that all the way around. And to help you out by doing that, you're just going to take it and you're just going to pull this part out. And then push it in like that. And that's what you're going to do all the way around. I don't need that. And now once you, oops, hold on. And now once you do that, this part is going to be sticking up, but all you have to do is push it down. It's so easy. And you can just fix these parts right here. And booyah, it is fixed. It's two-dimensional. And it's, yeah. And since you can make it kind of push up like that, and it can kind of spin. Kind of. Yeah, kind of. So, yeah. And then, when you do that, when you bring it back together, it actually stays that way, mostly. You can kind of do that, but it actually stays together like that. You don't have to push it down every single time. So, yeah. I hope you guys have enjoyed folding this with me. And, if you want to check out my new gaming channel, then click right there. I just started it, and I think it's pretty cool. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye. Hold on. I'm screwing this up. I gotta... Hold on. Hold on. Keep watching. That wasn't as cool as I thought it would be.